Okay, guys, today we are looking at gold and EurUsd. Let's check if we can get like the opportunity to make money on gold and EurUsd. My name is Bruce Lewis. I'm back again this week, guys. Let's make sure that we make money this week. And thank you very much for following us. Thank you very much for watching the videos. Thank you very much for sharing the videos. We have like few subscribers coming in, guys. It's because of you guys who share the videos and because of you guys who've been following us for quite some time now. Okay, so I hope watching this video, guys, you are learning a lot because I'm trying all my best to do as easy as possible so that you guys can understand. So let's quickly jump to gold and the EurUsd. For me, they move the same direction. So if we are selling gold, we are selling EurUsd as well. If you are buying gold, we are buying EurUsd as well. So, but now let's find out how we can get the opportunity to make money on it. Okay, let's jump straight to it. Okay, guys, you can see, guys, we are on gold. Let's see what we can get on gold. Let's see what's going on here. Because what I do, guys, I always say that by just looking at the chart like this, I can already see that the market is talking to us, is telling us what exactly is going to happen. So what we just have to do is to understand that, to understand the language of what the market has been saying to us. So I always start on higher time frame. So if I go to weekly, all right, yeah, this is weekly, guys. This is gold on weekly. First of all, remember the analysis we did last week or last week? I don't remember which date exactly. So what do you see here, guys? We saw that it's a double top. So on a double top, the rule says the first leg of a double top must be equal to the second leg of the double top. So for us, if we say from here to there is our double top, so here, if from there to there is our double top, so we'll also look at this to be equal to this one here. So we can just say, okay, from here, let's just drop a line here as our support. So for me, price is still going to go down to that level. Let's say around from where it is, let's say around 2000 pips down. Okay. So if it's a double top, this is your neckline here. Okay. So looking at that necklines here, we can see that already price break the neckline and went back to test. So if the price went break the neckline and went back to test, it's still going to continue going down. So if it's still going to continue going down, it's either we sell it here straight away going down, if we can just sell it there, but we can find an entry here for on a lower time frame to get a perfect entry. So we confirmed on higher time frame that this pair is going down before we go to lower time frame to get our entries. So let's quickly go to lower time frame. Let's say maybe on that lower time frame. Okay, let's take H4 and see what we get on H4. Okay, because the reason I always use H4 because I know that it's very clear, guys, is for us to understand. Some can claim that we had a change of structure here, which is our trend line, which is very beautiful. Okay, so if you see, price did this and then break here with an impulsive move going up, so we can claim that this now is going back to test. Okay, and then every time using our strategy, when price reaches that level, if you pull your Fibo from here to there, it's 61.8 here, it's our time to buy it going up. But looking at the strength from dollar and looking at the correcting impulse move, as you can see, from here going there was an impulsive move, and then from here to going there is an impulsive move. So we don't usually take the impulse and impulse retracement. What we do, we wait for price action setups. We wait for price to give us like a pattern. So here we didn't have any pattern, as you can see. So this retracement was supposed to give us like a pattern, but it didn't give us the pattern. So it gets us to think about something. So what is that? So we'll just have to do this. We just have to say, okay, let's get rid of the trend line, forget the trend line. And then from now, we can just highlight this lows here. Okay, so we highlight that lows there. So once we highlighted that lows, and then we watch what exactly the market will be doing. So for me, this is what might happen here. Price might consolidate back to this level here. If it do that, guys, it's giving us like an opportunity for us to sell it going down to that level. So it means here it might give us like a bearish flag, which is a continuation pattern going down. So you label this area here your A, you label this one the B, and then the C here, we are entering our sell at C going down. So what we can do now for us not to miss this call. So we just have to place like sell limits in there. Okay, I'll place two sell limits in there. That's what I always do. Okay, let's just place the sell limit there because mostly I use Fibonacci because I would drag Fibonacci from this high to that low. So around this level here on 50 or on 61 or inside the order block, I'll just use it. So even if price is still pushing up to that level, I won't panic much because I know that it's still going to inside our 61.8, which is this level here, before we can fall going down. Okay, all the way down. So our entry might be on this level here. Between these two levels here is going to be our entries, our sell entries, and then our stop loss will be hidden where? Our stop loss will be hidden there. So don't say from here going there, the stop loss is far. Just say, okay, if you think from here going there, stop is too much for your risk, use 0.01, guys. And then if you look at this is our risk. So if you look at this from here to there, we already covered is one, okay? 1:2 from there. And then from there, as you can see, because our last take profit will be on this level. So this ratio here is going to be 1:4, guys. Okay. So the ratio is very nice. It's going to be 1:4. So to confirm that, before I can confirm anything, let's just, another thing that I can just add into the confluences will just be a trend line like there. So we can just expect price to, it's very easy, guys. I'm even lazy to mention some of the things. It can either do this inside that and then go all the way down. Okay, so let's patiently wait for price to reach that level. You execute or you just place pending order, which is sell limits with your stop loss behind the high, above the high, and then you patiently wait for price to enter you in and then push the price down. So let's quickly go to EurUsd and see what we get on EurUsd. So on EurUsd, guys, as you can see, very, very easy. If you can just zoom in more, you'll see something interesting. So looking at this candlestick here, the reason you should always know the candlestick is this. This candlestick here is rejecting higher prices. Look at this low, form a new low. This candlestick is rejecting higher prices. So this candlestick went back to retest that level again. So what you can do, you can either do this in a simple way. You can either pull Fibo on this candlestick only. Once you pull Fibo on this candlestick only, just wait for price to touch 61.8 and then you sell it going down on that candlestick only. Or you get it the easiest way on 61.8 of your 61.8 of your Fibo, or you get it the easiest way on lower time frame. So if we get it like that, if we draw a trend line like from one, join with that, and then the next move will be inside, the next touch will be inside your 61.8. But let's go and check if we can get an entry on lower time frame, which will be very, very easy for me. So let's look at EurUsd on, so on H4 again, we see this low was taken out by which one? By this low. It's very easy on EurUsd. Okay, so it went back to test that level there, forming the ABC of treatment. Okay, so what else? You add the trend line. You can just add it like, let's roughly do it like this, but I don't like it like this, but let's just quickly do it like this. And then from there you pull your Fibo from here to here, from the high to the low. Your 61.8 is on that area, or you highlight this candlestick all the way there, and then now you patiently wait for price to do whatever it's doing, which is gonna be doing this inside the order block, inside the 61.8, and then on the trend line, and then we sell it going down, where our take profit will be about this level here, and then our stop loss, you just have to hide it there. If you say it's far, don't worry, my man. It's your money. Do whatever you want to do. You can place it. You can place your stop loss here. You can place it there. You can place it here, like the baby peeps told you to do. And then that's it. This is what you will get. Okay. If you do this, this is what always happened here at around 61.8. Price will always give you something like this. And then this candlestick mostly is used to hunt the stop losses. So it's taking out the stop losses here, the stop losses there, the stop losses there. But if we hide it there, no one will touch it on this level. They can't push price all the way up to that level there and then 10 going down unless it's on silver. So again, based on risk and reward ratio, if your entry is around this level here, so you are only risking this, you're only risking that to get what? So it's taking us like our entry, our risk and reward is gonna be like it's 1, 2, 3, round about 1:3 ratio, or 1:4 ratio, around about that. So guys, Please, thank you very much again for sharing, for watching the video. Thank you very much for sharing. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, ask questions, share the video. We are growing like slowly but surely, guys. Thank you very much again, guys, for watching this video. As you can see, guys, the video has been sponsored by Quick Trade, so we'll be sharing the link below. If you want to register using the best broker in the world, guys, just click on the links below and register. And another interesting thing is that we're having this like challenge for $1,000. We're trying to move like $1,000 to 100,000. I don't know how long that's gonna take us to reach it, because 1,000 is very small to reach it to. For it to reach to 100,000, so I don't know how long it's gonna take. But the challenge is there, guys. The challenge is available. So what you have to do is to found your account, register, found your account, and then we send us the WhatsApp message, and then we add you to the group. We take the same trades together. We lose together. We make money together. Until next time, guys. From me, Bruce Lewis. I'll see you guys on the next one.